welcome back to my channel. It's Yara here. So today I'm going to show you a Play-Doh, like a toy video. So, Play-Doh. Play-Doh is like the best toy in the world. Whoever invented Play-Doh was the best inventor. Okay, so first I got my Play-Dohs. I got first like this white dough color. It's so doughy. And I got this like grass green color, a blue oceany color, browny color, and a neon orange color, regular light orange, sunny yellow, pink, and my favorite violet, and some hot, beautiful pink. Okay, so it's going to be a sculpting video. We'll set my clay over here, there, and the violet can go here. So first thing, you will need the whole white and roll in a big ball. Okay, roll. Okay, roll it. Okay, you roll it like this. And next thing, you will need to speed it out, like a little oval. We're going to make pretend pizza. Shouldn't this be the cheese? No. Okay, just roll it out. Okay, now make it a big flat circle. Should be rounded around just like a real pizza. Okay? Okay, rounded pizza. It doesn't have to be end, okay? Here is the flat pizza. This is how it's supposed to be looking. Okay. And now we need the pizza sauce. What can we use for the pizza sauce? This neon orange looks like a tiny pizza sauce. Okay, let me just flatten up. Flat. Make it more. Okay, I'll make some more orange color. Okay. Neon orange could be the pizza sauce. Yummy pizza sauce. Have you ever tried pizza? Comment down below. Okay. Okay, pizza sauce ready. And we need now the cheese. The deluxe cheese. Okay. Now we only need a tiny bit. Spread it out like this. Cheese. Some cheese. Where's my cheese? Okay. And more cheese. Now we need some pepper. I'm going to use the green color. Okay. 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 This is here. Okay, the pizza's done. Oh, forgot the mushrooms. Okay, mushroom will be some browny color. Okay, just need tiny mushrooms, just a tiny mushrooms. Not a lot of mushrooms. I don't really like mushrooms. Do you like mushrooms? Okay. And my pizza's done. Look how cute it is. So precious. And now what we could do with all this stuff? Let's make Pepsi. Yes, my Pepsi is like the best. Okay, first do it a little ball, just like usual. Ball. Now roll it a little bit like this. Yeah, roll it and flatten the ends. Okay. Okay. And we need like some red color. Always use some more of this orange. Flatten up. Now some tiny blue. Okay, now place it on the Pepsi. Perfect. Look how tiny and cute it is. So we made a pizza and a Coke. Okay. Bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give a big thumbs up, and bye.